Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. If you pay attention to my videos, you've probably noticed I use these old beat up push sticks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some new ones. The original push sticks that I made were made out of pieces of scrap cedar I had laying around from another project. But after doing a little research and watching some videos by people like Heisz and Matthias Wandel, I noticed that they're recommending that you use plywood. I'm going to use some Baltic birch I have left over from my quick and easy bandsaw fence build, and it should make a really good push stick. I hope you enjoyed that video where I invited my newest friend to the shop, Sharky the Push Stick. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to see more. Until next time, cheers and have a great day.